and see
You can come back. Sorry, cut.
It's not me, it's you.
I'm on it, my.
It's not unusual
to do them the way you want. What?
2 to 3 of these deviations.
potato to potato.
Away from administration.
Customers. That doesn't make sense.
Eyelash extension.
He or she will suck.
Traffic delays.
That was very wrong.
Can I do that bit again?
I don't know why I just said that.
That don't mean that they don't know what they're talking about. That's wrong.
What? Can't read.
So let you.
That was my first brain distraction.
Then 40.
But they don't tell you.
Insolvable, unsolvable. I said it right, didn't I? Contact details.
Then 40.
Or monsieur. Monsieur, how do you say it? Copy for blog and post.
Can have a positive
Florence.
I'ma leave the door open.
See the other side of town to see another.
I said it right.
Tubular.
To elsewhere. Elsewhere. Elf.
I'll do that again.
Of necessity.
Whether you want.
Product has the appropriate. Sorry.
They're wrong. These are. They're wrong.
The result.
Also use. Do that bit again.
Thanks for so much.
Sent to everyone again and again. What?